Hello friends. Today we are back with a new product. Introducing CLICKVIO22 is a groundbreaking drag-and-drop email builder that gets you 4x more opens, clicks and profits with your existing autoresponder. The secret to better inboxing, more opens and more sales. What is MJML technology all about? MJML is a markup language designed to reduce the pain of coding a responsive email. Essentially, the MJML engine reads what the sections of the email are and what they should look like. The MJML engine then takes care of rendering the sections as expected and in a responsive way, which brings higher opens, more clicks, and more sales. What's new in CLICKVIO22? Number 1. It's upgraded with the latest MJML version. Clicks and opens have never been higher. Number 2. 8 DFY email automations will save a lot of time and bring more sales to the customers, can be replicated and used with any autoresponder. Number 3. We have added 10 new DFY templates with some of the hottest niches, crypto, NFT, coaching. CLICKVIO22 includes 100 DFY emails. Get access to 100 of my top emails that have collectively resolved in over $100,000 in sales. New DFY templates, email marketing templates from the most popular niches are built in the modern email format. Built-in retargeting and preview text option to advertise to email openers on Facebook, Google, and YouTube. Additional widgets including Instagram post, YouTube video links, location, image, countdown, button, divider, spacer and social links for more traffic. Bonus number 1. 6-figure emails training session to help generate 6-figure per month in sales using the power of emails, just like we do. Bonus number 2. CLICKVIO Engage free for 2 months. CLICKVIO is perfect for marketers at all levels. Email marketers, affiliate marketers, local marketers, agencies. You can watch CLICKVIO in action in part 2 of this video. Don't forget to confirm your slot for CLICKVIO, the webinar to watch live release of CLICKVIO22. And the webinar link in description. Thank you for watching this video.